What is that?
What is he doing?
He's going for a walk. Alpaca.
Where'd he go?
He's going for a walk. Whoa.
Oh, he's in the back there.
Hey, more alpacas.
I thought that's a donkey, I think.
Donkey.
A donkey and another
Donkey.
alpaca.
That's it.
Donkey.
Donkey.
You like that donkey?
No.
Isn't he cool?
Look at this. Let's go see some more animals.
Okay, we gotta grab the stroller.
I'm having fun at the zoo, Daddy.
Oh, great. That makes me very happy you're having fun.
I know. There's so much animals here. Hey.
Look, a pig.
Yeah.
A pig.
Why is there a pig?
Jacob, what does a pig say?
A pig.